Howdy guys! So today is I'm going to unbox my new curler. Yung bago kong curler guys. So i-unbox ko na siya. So binili ko pala to sa Lazada. Ito na brand kasi maganda daw siya. Nakita ko sa mga vlogger na Thai. I never own a curler guys. Usually pag gusto kong curly yung buhok ko, ginagamit ko lang is yung hair straightener. So i-unbox ko na siya. I'm so excited. Unbox. Ayan. Yay! Ayan, ang cute guys! Ang cute! Ang cute niya! Merong ano sa loob. Ano po? Ay. Ano kung saan ako bumili? Wait. Okay, open ko na natin siya. Uy, ayan. Meron siya nito. Box. Lalagyan hanggang cute. Ay, ang comfy ng paghawakan siya. Ew. Super soft. First time ko mag-unbox, so. Ayan. Oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. So maganyan. Ayan. Ayan. Tignan natin kung mag-work kasi super short ng hair ko. So meron siyang ganito. Ang ganda niya. Hindi lang one way. Yung parang 360 din yung niya cord. I have this free comb. Dalawa nito. Ayan. Ang cute ng kulay niya. Parang same din ng kulay ng my glam layer. Ganun kasi. Ganitong mga kulay yung bet ko na pagka-pink. Tapos meron ito. Sa nakita ko dun sa video bago ko to binili. Pwede siyang ilagay dito. Ganito siya. Ito ba? Ganito siya. Tapos hair straightener din siya. Ganon. I-try ko lang. Sa other side is curly. Tapos sa other side is ito. Tapos meron ito. Kung paano gamitin. Merong manual. Ay, hindi ako makabasa guys. Ano ba to, Thai? Ano ko na lang guys, i-figure out ko na lang kasi tayo yung nakasulat talaga lahat. Painitin ko muna siya. Meron siyang, I don't know if you can see, this have a 160, 180, tsaka 200. Pag mag-stop siya, ano lang siya dito, gano'n. Stop dito. Pwede siya i-stop din ito. Oh, diba? Bongga. Init. But, okay. Ay! Oh my God! Hindi ko... Wait lang. First time, guys. Wait lang. Is it good? Like this? Ay! Yeah, this one. This is the one I choose. Ay, nag-curl siya kunti. Tignan niyo, ang bilis niya mag-curl actually. Kung ano naman, short lang talaga yung buhok ko dun. Okay naman siya dito guys. So, yun lang natin. Oy, para mag-ano siya. Tingnan natin. Oh, ay ganda! Ang ganda! Oh, maganda yung pagka-curl niya. Tapos parang lang, seconds lang. Parang seconds lang siya na ganito na siya. Oh my God. Oh, curl. Ay, super curl niya guys. Diba? Bongga. Kailangan lang talaga ng practice makes perfect. Siguro pag ano guys, marunong ka na talagang gumamit nito, siguro ano talaga siya, mas less time yung ano mo. Kasi mabilis siyang mag-curl talaga guys. Hindi pa talaga ako marunong. Okay. O, diba? Madali siyang mag-curl. So, ganyan siya, guys. Parang ipasok yung dalawang ano dito. Kaya, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Pwede din saan nyo ipasok. Basta, pasok siya, ganon. Tapos, ganito. Tapos, ano nyo lang siya. Uy, ito parang nag-grab siya. Ayan. Pero sa baba lang usually. Oh, diba? Ay, ganda! Oh, ganda na pagka-curl nito, isa. Paano ba yan? Paano anong ginawa ko nun? Ay, medyo inano ko siya, binaba kunti. Okay, ulit na. Ulit. So, sa kabila ko kasi yan eh. Binaba ko siya ng konti, parang ganito. Ayan. Binaba ko siya ng konti. Ganyan, hinay-hinay. Yan ang ginagawa ko. Oh! Guys, parang na-figure out ko na talaga konti. Oh, ganda. Hindi ba? Kita niyo ba, guys? Kunin yan. Okay. Okay, hindi lang. Oh guys, ang ganda! Diba? Ang ganda yung pagka-curl niya. Yes, we need to pull it inside. Tapos, grab lang niya yan. Grab. Okay ba? Okay, stop. Okay, grab lang ganun. Yung pang mahaba yung buhok mo, super ganda siguro. Super ganda ng pagka, ano yung wave. Parang beach wave pala siya, guys. Parang gano'n, di ba? Ang cute! Ah, charot. Oh, pak, gano'n. Gano'n. Ay, ganda. Ang ganda. Now, I'm going to try this on this side. And then, let's see. Just gonna put this. Tignan natin kung effective ba ito kung pastel. Try natin dito para mas makita talaga. Ganun. Na ano? Ay, para magtanggal siya guys. Huwag niyong Uy! Magtanggal siya guys, hindi siya pwedeng i-turn on kasi magtatanggal siya. Hindi siya masyadong effective. Okay lang siya. Medyo tagalan natin kunti. Okay lang siya. I love the curling thing. For this one it's okay. It's not really effective. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out. The hair don't touch the ceramic, that's why I think it's not really like effective. I decided I'm just gonna curl my hair first and I'm just gonna show you later the last one I'm going to curl because I don't want to take all your time to watch me curl and struggling. So, see you later. Ayan, I'm back guys. So I kind of figure it out why I'm having a hard time doing it because I think I've been doing it the wrong way. So guys, what I did is, so if I want to put my hair on the back, so I'm just gonna click the other one. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put in the front. It's like that, so it's easy to grab because it's going this way and then the hair is on the other side. So, right? It's easy. So, it's like that. Put the hair in the back. I need to do the other side like that. So this is going this way, going clockwise, and then if I do counterclockwise, I need to put the hair in the front. Just figure it out now. So, see, it's working. I figure it out now, just now. Okay, so I want this to put in the counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. I'm gonna do like that and just like that. It's easy, guys. It's very, very easy now for me. Actually, it's very easy to use, guys. Actually, I just didn't think about clockwise and counterclockwise thing. Oh, yes, it's actually easy, guys. Oh, my hair looks thicker now. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Super ganda talaga. Highly recommended. Instead of like using this one to put this in here, I'm just going to use a hair straightener because it's really take long time, guys. But the curler itself is amazing. If you want to know about the product, I'm just gonna put on the description below where I bought it. And this is not a sponsor, guys. I'm just sharing my my new curlers because maybe you want to buy a new curler or you want to try a different style of curler, so maybe you like to try this type of hair curler. So ayan guys, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you really enjoy this unboxing and hair curling tutorial. It's not really tutorial, I'm just like, I don't know, do you call it a tutorial? If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I guess see you on my next video. Love you all.